Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2017 Toyota RAV4 in an LE trim and powered by a 2.5-liter engine, providing you with excellent fuel efficiency with all-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back, we have a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. Then under here, you have your spare tire, as well as some more storage for your tools and whatnot, as well as your cargo privacy curtain, which can be attached there, as you can see. And then looking at the back seat, we have seating for three comfortably, with fold-out armrest and cup holders in the middle, as well as a 12-volt power outlet down there, and you do have fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle. And then looking in the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 74,354 kilometers, and moving down to the steering wheel. On the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through information such as your fuel economy, your distance to empty, fuel economy, eco indicator, your drivetrain or your power distribution, your rest warning, comm screen, and then you have your accessories, or not accessories, your driver assist features, warning messages, and settings for your screen, and some other features are in your vehicle. You can also, let's see, cycle through your trip mileage at the bottom there, A and B, as well as your odometer in general. Then on the left side, you have your cruise controls, or sorry, not your cruise controls, your hands-free phone and radio controls. Your cruise controls are down here on this little stalk, which you can access from there. This is the button to cycle your radar. So your cruise control is adaptable, so it will detect vehicles ahead of you. And to the left of the steering wheel, you have your lane keeping system and your all-wheel drive locks, so that's very convenient as well. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is let's see, radio, CD, USB, Bluetooth, and auxiliary. So you do have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. Then above that, you are actually shifting into reverse. You do have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Then above that, you have your hazards and your traction control shutoff. And moving down from your screen, you have your climate controls here, very simple, just on 3 dials. And then down below, you have your eco and sport mode buttons, as well as your heated front seats with 2 levels each, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. And then you have your heated wiper park, I believe, and then your USB and auxiliary, and a 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something into power charge or hook up your audio. And then you have a two little cuppies, a cup holder, your main shifter with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, parking brake, and another cup holder. And then finally your center compartment / armrest, which I believe does have, or no, just one tier, but it is quite spacious. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.